You should not do pranayama without learning from a yoga teacher. In this pranayama session, we are going to see most of the important pranayama. Pranayama helps us to strengthen lung muscles, get oxygen to every cells, helps in physical and mental well-being, helps in living long, healthy life. Some precautions for the practicing of pranayama. When you are too tired, please do not do this. People suffering from high BP should not do. Pregnancy, not do. Hernia and people undergone surgery should not do. Never do with immediately after the meal. There should be 4 hour gap between the meal and pranayama. Now let us begin pranayama session. Namaskar. Welcome again. Now let us begin with deep breathing. Deep breathing increases oxygen intake into the body. You have to inhale through nose, exhale through mouth. Deep inhale and exhale through mouth. Another inhalation. You have to take deeply in, exhale through mouth, slow and steady. This you have to do for minimum 10 rounds. Then relax for a while. Deep inhalation. Relax for a few seconds. Then now comes abdominal breathing. Keep your one hand on the stomach, another hand on the chest. Now inhale so that your abdomen has to raise up. Exhale, your abdomen has to shrink inside. To make sure that abdomen is raising and collapsing, so we are keeping our hand on the abdomen and the chest, and let us do this for minimum 10 rounds. Then relax for few seconds. Bhastrika pranayama needs little caution. People those who are suffering from heart disease, high BP and hernia, those undergone operations should not do this one. This includes Kapalbhati too. Now let us begin with single nostril Bhastrika. Hold uh, right nostril close. Inhale through left nostril, exhale through left nostril. The hand should be forceful movement should be there. Then in same way, close left nostril and breathe in, breathe out through right nostril with hand movement. Let us repeat this for 10 rounds. Then relax for a while. Do this also for 10 rounds. Then comes with the both the hands. Both the hands above and they come down with forceful uh, movement. Now let's begin Kapalbhati. Here, expelling of air is very important. Inhalation happens on its own. Just observe the stomach. Exhale, your stomach has to go within. Only exhalation is important. Now let's begin with Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati, same rules as of Bhastrika. Let us begin. Kapalbhati, in the beginning, let us do for 20 to 25 times. As you progress, you can increase up to 100. After Kapalbhati, relax for a few seconds. After relaxation from Kapalbhati, now let's move on to Anulom Vilom. Now, Anulom Viloma, it has a healing power and improves heart health, asthma, depression, migraine, high BP, arthritis, and other issues. It should be done on slow and steady basis. No hurry moments in the breathing. Now let us begin Anulom Vilom. Close right nostril. Inhale through left nostril. Exhale through right nostril. Again inhale through right nostril. Exhale through left nostril. Again inhale through left nostril. Exhale through right nostril. Please repeat this Anulom Vilom for minimum 10 rounds. Now, next is Shitali Pranayama. Shitali Pranayama calms down the mind, reduces stress, anxiety, cools the body and mind. BP is lowered, effective in hyperacidity and even ulcer.
Now make your tongue roll and keep it outside. Inhale through your tongue, hold for 5 seconds. Exhale through nose. One more round. Inhale through your rolled tongue, hold, then exhale through nose. Slow and steady, please. And repeat this for 5 rounds, 5 to 10 rounds. Now Sheetkari. Sheetkari benefits are also same as Sheetali.
Now, let's begin Shitkari. Hold your tongue in between your teeth. Inhale through mouth, hold for 5 seconds, exhale through nose. One more round. Hold your tongue in between the teeth. Inhale through mouth, hold, exhale through nose. Do it for 5 rounds. Let us do the sectional breathing pranayama. Take your hands around your rib cage. Feel the rib cage. Hold them at the rib cage. Now inhale. Feel the expansion of rib cage and exhale. See the contraction of rib cage. Continue for 5 rounds. Your rib cage has to increase and decrease during the exhalation. Let us do it for 5 counts. After 5 rounds of rib cage movement, take relaxation for few seconds. Now take your hands 5 rounds, relax for a while, and take your both the thumbs under the armpits, and you have to feel the uh, air filling in the lungs through middle lungs, expanding and contracting of lungs at the middle level. Let us do this for 5 rounds. Now take your both the hands below the neck from the back side as shown in the picture. Take your both the hands below the neck. Hold your hand like that. Your elbows are facing the sky. Now you have to do inhale, exhale and slow and steady breathing pattern. Let's carry on for this for at least 5 rounds. Then relax. Now comes Bhramari Pranayama. In Bhramari Pranayama, you have to close your eyes and also ears. Inhale deeply and exhale through the throat, making sound. Inhale deeply, exhale through throat. This relaxes your brain, lowers BP, cures stress, soothes the nerves, stimulates pineal gland and pituitary gland. Let us do Bhramari at least for 10 rounds. Now comes Ujjayi Pranayama. Ujjayi Pranayama is inhale, exhale through the throat. You have to little compress your throat and do the Ujjayi Pranayama, and it is sounds like a little hissing sound, only you can hear it. Such sound will be there. Both inhale exhale happens in the same way. After Ujjayi Pranayama, sit quietly, just observe slow steady breathing. You should not do pranayama without learning from a yoga teacher. This video can be used as guide after you learned the practices. Please consult your doctor if you have any medical conditions before practicing. Namaste. Thank you.